Hello, and welcome to Design Guy. I'll show you step by step how to design an awesome timeline in Canva. Click the Create button and type Timeline in the search bar. Select the Timeline option from the results to begin your new timeline project. Select your desired size from the available options. For this tutorial, we'll choose the size that best fits our needs. This is the timeline poster. Here, you can see each event is clearly displayed in chronological order for easy reference. Choose from several available designs. Select your preferred design for this example. We'll use a business template to demonstrate the following steps in the process. To add another timeline, click the Timeline button at the bottom panel. If the language cannot be read, select your preferred language from the Settings menu to update the interface text. Create the project timeline by adding key milestones, setting deadlines, and organizing tasks in sequence. This will help ensure your project stays on track and organized. Now we have the template ready. You can simply edit the content here to match your ideas. Click inside any text or image area, make your changes, and customize the template according to your preferences. You can see pages 1 through 5 here. Depending on your needs, select a page to edit. Make your changes directly on the page. Repeat this process for each additional page as needed. Select the template you've already created. Next, click the Share button, then choose Download. In the Download options, select PNG as the file type and confirm to save your template. Choose PDF Print for high-quality output, ideal for professional printing. Alternatively, select PDF Standard for documentation or sharing via email. Both options generate a PDF file, but PDF Print ensures the best results for physical copies. You just learned how to make a slick timeline in Canva. Drop a like and subscribe for more quick design tips.